screen sharing feature, where you can share the screen with your phone or to your laptop as well. Visit the eShare.app to download and install the client's app, and you can share whatever the features, whatever the education tutorial things which you are teaching. You can share it onto your mobile phone or to your laptops. I have connected to eShare, so I'll selecting the share screen option. So the screen of my mobile phone will be shared onto this whiteboard. Start now. Voila. So from here you can share the information directly from your laptop or your phone to the whiteboard screen. For example, if I go to the Google Chrome and so over here I can operate the phone while even I'm stepping away from the whiteboard screen, and the students are able to see whatever the information which I am willing to share from my phone or from my laptop. To cast the screen from your laptop, you don't need to download any kind of application. All you need to do is go to your Google Chrome and select the cast screen option. Select the cast screen option, check the number, what number this eShare is, and simply click it. So over here, your phone screen as well as your laptop screen will be shared simultaneously. And like this, we can share up to 9 different screens onto this one particular Crown Touch IFP board.